Hello children, today we will learn chapter number 2, uh, fill in the blanks. Yesterday in my Zoom class I had explained this fill in the blanks and I had told you to write the answers in the book, and today in this audio I will explain these answers once more, and you need to write all the answers in the book and in copy also. Okay, and we have not completed long answer type questions that we will do. Okay, today I am sending this. Okay, you do one thing, don't do in copy, do in book only and learn. Okay, and when we complete this long answers, then we will do this in copy, fill in the blanks. Okay, first we will complete long answer type questions, then we will do fill in the blanks in copy. So today when you get this audio, you just number 23 and 24 and listen carefully. If you have written the answers in Zoom class, no need to write again. Those children who couldn't attend Zoom class and the children those who didn't understand in Zoom class what are the answers, they have to listen carefully to the audio and write the answers. Okay, so in class 3 you will not get options, you have to learn the answers by heart. Okay, otherwise you don't think that there will be a help box in the question paper. No, it's not like that. There will be no help box for class 3 children. Only class 1 and 2 children will get help box. Okay, so first question number A, a doctor uses different kinds of dash. डॉक्टर यूज़ करता है डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ डैश, डिफरेंट टाइप्स की बहुत तरह की डैश यूज़ करता है. व्हाट इज आंसर? मेडिसिन्स. मेडिसिन्स मीन्स दवाइयाँ यूज़ करता है. ओके, सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, अ डैश हेल्प्स अस ड्यूरिंग फ्लड्स. कौन हमें फ्लड के टाइम पे हमारा मदद करता है? फ्लड मतलब बाढ़ के टाइम पे कौन हमें मदद करता है? आंसर, a soldier. Answer first, medicine spelling MEDICINES, medicines. It is there in the book help box. One help box has given and all the answers are there in the help box. First answer medicines, MEDICINES, medicines. Second, a dash helps us during floods. Answer, soldier, SOLDIER, soldier. Third question, dash protects us during fire emergency. फायर इमरजेंसी, फायर के टाइम पे जो आग लग गया कहीं जगह पे, तो कौन हमें बचाता है? आंसर, व्हाट इज द आंसर? आंसर इज फायर फाइटर. स्पेलिंग ऑफ फायर फाइटर, FIREFIGHTER. When you write the answers, you have to take care of this one thing, that is, if you are writing the answer in the starting, like C, firefighter, you have to write the answer in the starting, though then you have to start the answer with capital letter. Okay, if the answer is in the middle, then you need to write in small letter. Okay, like firefighter is in first in the starting, so you need to write F capital. Okay, firefighter protects us during fire emergency. Question number D, we should help dash people. हमें इनका मदद करना चाहिए. किनका? Answer, sick, SICK, sick people. sick, जो sick मतलब बीमार लोगों का मदद हमें करना चाहिए. E, क्वेश्चन नंबर E, we should dash each occupation. हमें हर occupation मतलब जो हमारा काम, हर काम को हमें ये करना चाहिए. क्या करना चाहिए? आंसर, रेस्पेक्ट. रेस्पेक्ट मतलब उसका इज्जत करना चाहिए. रेस्पेक्ट, व्हाट इज द स्पेलिंग ऑफ रेस्पेक्ट? RESPECT, रेस्पेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर F, our dash protects us from thief. thief means चोर. चोर से हमें कौन बचाता है? आंसर, policeman, POLICEMAN, policeman. A policeman protects us from thief. Question number G. Dash controls the traffic on a road. रोड पे ट्रैफिक जैम हो गया तो कौन हमारा मदद करता है और कौन कंट्रोल करता है रोड पे ट्रैफिक को? आंसर ट्रैफिक पुलिस. When you see the word in the question that is traffic, you have to write traffic police. What is the spelling of traffic police? TRAFFIC, police, POLIC. Okay. Next, a good teacher dash his country. गुड टीचर उसका कंट्री को क्या करता है? सर्व्स. SERVES मतलब सर्व करता है, कंट्री के लिए काम करता है या करती है एक अच्छी टीचर. आई. आर डैश ब्रिंग्स लेटर्स फॉर अस. कौन लेटर्स लेके आता है? दैट यू ऑल नो द आंसर. आ पोस्टमैन. POSTMAN, postman. This G, question number G, you traffic police controls the traffic on a road. Traffic police, T, you should write capital. Okay. I, a dash brings letters for us. Answer, a policeman. POLICE, policeman. MAN, policeman. Last one, Ashok help his dash. Ashok उसका मदद करता है किसको? इसका ग्रैंडफादर का मदद करता है. ग्रैंडफादर स्पेलिंग GRANDFATHER, ग्रैंडफादर. वन मोर टाइम आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू द आंसर्स. फर्स्ट आंसर, अ डॉक्टर यूजेस डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ डैश medicines. Second question B, a dash helps us during floods. Answer, soldier. Third, dash protects us during fire emergency. Answer, firefighter. D, we should help sick people. E, we should dash each occupation. Answer, respect. A dash protects us from thief. A policeman protects us from thief. Dash controls the traffic on a road. Answer, traffic police controls the traffic on a road. A good teacher dash his country, serves his country. A dash brings letters for us. Answer, a postman brings letters for us. Ashok help his dash. Ashok help his grandfather. I know in class 3 so many children are there, they are not able to read properly, so you please do the practice of reading as well. Okay, I have read all the questions from A to J. You need not to look at the screen, mobile screen or computer or laptop screen. No need to look all the time. When you listen to the audio, you just you need to listen only, okay, to the audio. No need to look at the screen and just see the answers. You have to look at your book and listen to the audio, then you write the answer and learn. Okay, then you can improve your reading also. Okay, so this is the homework for you to do in book only. No need to do in copy. Okay, and do in book and learn. Okay, this is for the day. Thank you.